So we're in the beginning phases of commercialization. The company manufactures and directly distributes here from Sarasota, Florida. We're also engaged with a sales force that focuses predominantly on the Veterans Administration, Department of Defense, and Indian Health Service. And we actively have product being approved and used in 15 hospitals in the VA setting, with 5 more getting ready to come on as we speak. This is important to us because the product offers such a value proposition in the VA community. And we have several case studies that come from this community and the Indian Health Service where we've actually assisted people from preventing amputation. So we're very excited to support this community. In parallel, we're working with Medicare to establish the appropriate evidence-based position for OCM in the treatment of wound care. And as we deliver our investment strategy, we'll be engaging a full-time commercial team to work in the payer community and then scale out full-time in the commercial Medicare and managed care space in 2025.